What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what's up. Ando caballo because, Bobby, what are we gonna do today?
Go visit a friend of Alex.
We're gonna go visit my best friend. Insert picture here. Yeah, I'm gonna go visit Melissa because no me quiere visitar because of quarantine. So vamos a caballo y se hace como ya llevamos. We left the house at 11:30. We were at the bridge, so we probably left the house at like 11:15, no? Yeah, we left the house at like 11:15 y ya son las 12:30. So llevamos más de una hora and we're barely halfway there. Half fucking way. But vengo aquí en el grullo. Look, let me show y'all. Look at this. Look at this. I have my potrillo. Bobby has chori. There's no fucking traffic right now, which I'm happy about. But we've been cutting. Sorry if you guys can hear me. The air's kind of fucked up. But we through, what's it called? Cornfields. And we've been running parts of it. Porque si no, nunca vamos a llegar. And another disclaimer, we kind of snuck out. My parents don't know we came. They think we just went riding. But yeah, it's not that cold today actually. Y luego me vine ahora porque no iba a llover. And I kind of just dragged Brian along with me. He said he wanted to go ride with me and we were going to go to the gravel road. And then I was like, let's go visit Melissa. We have nothing else to do. And I don't want to go back home because me van a poner a trabajar. Porque mi papá está haciendo sabe qué del aire. So,
I don't want to work.
And me and Bobby have been working all fucking week. We made our puerta, insert video.
So this kind of right here. This is the thing. We're gonna cut that open right there.
Vlog that one too, pero me arrepentí. I vlogged it and then I deleted it. So I don't know. I'll just insert the video right there. But yeah, we're kind of. I had to pee and I'm thirsty as fuck. So this bitch better have me a water and a fucking toilet y una agua para mi horse y el cargador because my phone's gonna die. Or I'm gonna be her ass. I'm gonna be her fucking ass. So Melissa, when you're watching this, más te vale que hubieras tenido todas esas cosas porque si no te voy a madrear, ¿escuchaste? Todavía tenemos a long ass way to go. So I'll check in with y'all cuando lleguemos avanzado un poquito. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.
Okay guys, I'm 11 minutes away y ahorita vamos a correr otro pedazo a ver si llegamos más pronto. Pero ya faltan 11 minutos. Ya estamos en la Main Street que nos hace llegar allí. So, yeah, we're gonna run a little bit. But, ya me llegamos, Meli. I'll see you guys. Oh, what time is it? Last time we checked in, it was 12:30.
12:47.
It's 12:47 now. So, ya vamos avanzando. So, I'll catch y'all cuando lleguemos allá a la escuela. Okay, bye guys. Okay, guys, ya aquí estamos por llegar. Ahí está la calle donde vamos a dar vuelta, pero pues no queremos hacer tanto tiempo, vamos a cortar por el medio. Dale carrerita, güey. We're gonna cut right through the middle and then Melissa. Mira, ahí se ve el rancho.
Oh, yeah.
Melissa said she was gonna meet us by the school, a ver si la encontramos. Let me flip my camera. So, ahí se ve el rancho, es aquel rojo que está ahí abajo. Ahí se ve la escuela. Me exposing where Melissa lives. Es que pinche potrillo no quiere correr derecho. ¡Páralo! Oh, güey. Crúzate por el otro lado. A ver si sale, hold on. Where the fuck are you, Melissa? Mapa, if you're watching this, no me chingan, por favor. Solo quería ver a mi best friend. Oh, miren, ya se ve Melissa. I don't know if you guys can see her. Pero ya se ve. Pinche caballo le tiene miedo a los sewers. Oh. There's been people staring at us the whole way over here. Pero ahorita, a ver, dejen, ahí está la escuela. Let me cover the address. Ahí está la escuela. Aquí está Bobby. Ahorita nos siguió un perro. Pero no hizo nada, nomás nos huelió y se fue. Pero, miren, ahí está Melissa. Por fin sale la güey. Ay, que sí, ahí viene la yegua. Right there. Ahorita vamos a empezar a relinchar este güey. ¡Hey! Oh. Saludos al vlog, güey. The shit I do for you, man. Guys, that's my best friend. Makes me walk a fucking hour para venir a verla. Pero ya, aquí vamos llegando al rancho. Dude, we fucking ran. I'll see you guys later. So aquí estoy con la fam. Did you hear me? Y papi. We're about to leave. Ya son casi las 3. So, a ver, ahorita que vayamos para atrás. Sola, sola. I want to run, bro. I thought you. But we're just chilling. Ya ahorita, ya un ratito nos vamos a yo y Babis. Because ya se está haciendo tarde and they're probably asking que dónde estamos. But we're about to have a little photo shoot or whatever. So, I'll check in back with y'all cuando ya vayamos para la casa. Okay, guys, well, ya nos vamos. Melis encaminándonos. And Kilo's in the background, allí viene también. Pero yeah, we're gonna head back home because ya van a ser las 3. Y se hace tarde. So I look like shit right now, pero it's okay. Look at Kilo. Kilo, hazte para acá. Aquí está la escuela. Yeah. So I'll see y'all when we're Kilo. Okay. Pues ya dejamos a Melissa. Nos encaminó un poquito, pero ya. Es que Kilo no hace caso.
Manda la casa.
Oh, dude, there's a house on fire. Está muy bien. Pero ya vamos para atrás a la casa.
En el vlog.
¿Cómo le hace gordo en el vlog? But,
Was another journey of an hour back.
yeah, we got like an hour and a half to go back.
So stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned. Well, I'll see you guys farther down the road because I'm very tired. Yeah. Cuando vayamos allá casi llegando a la street, I'll check back in. Bye. Okay, guys. I had to take a quick pee break, but ya que vamos, ya llegamos. Aquí está 90. Ya. Aquí vamos por llegar, ya mero. Faltan como like 10, 15 minutes. 20 at most. Pero ya que vamos cruzando. We didn't cross to the top of it, but we crossed next to it. Pero ya está la casa de la babysitter de mi sister. La girlfriend de mi brother. La girlfriend de mi brother. Yeah. La casa de la novia de mi hermano. And yeah. So, ya mero. I'm just watching the cars. Ya bien cansados, bien doloridos, right, mamas? Where are you? Babi se anda bien adolorido. Oh my god, my knee hurts like a bitch. But I don't know if you guys can hear because of the air, but it was lit. Not gonna lie. Pero look, let me show y'all the other side. My brother's girlfriend's house está del otro lado aquí. Y ahí viene un carro y me va a pegar. Oh! You don't want that? Look at this. Pero ya mero llegamos. So, we'll check back in when we get closer to the house. Bye! Hey guys, ya llegamos aquí a mi street. It's like another half an hour de aquí. Not even half an hour, it's gonna be like 20 minutes. Porque cuando nos vinimos caminando al Coronel, it takes like 25, 30 minutes. O cuando nos vinimos al rodeo a caballo. So, yeah, it's like 20 minutes away. Ya mero llegamos. We're hanging in there. But I just thought I'd check in with y'all. So, also, we crossed that cornfield through the middle para acabar más pronto. Pero siempre ya llevamos rato, ya. So, see the future, guys. We're almost done. Good. I had fun. You? It was fun. Hell yeah, I'm tired as fuck. I want to take a nap. But nos están esperando en la casa para jugar kickball. Me voy a sobar con alcohol. Pero
Llegando, vamos a bañar los caballos.
they're waiting for us to play kickball or some shit like that. So, a ver qué pasa. Pero allá nos vemos cuando lleguemos. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
So, ya llegamos, ya desencillamos. We're gonna go get some food because we're hungry. Get us some earphones there.
Oh, yeah, I forgot my phone.
Son las 4:28.
4:30.
Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out.